Good morning, everybody. I'm Mr. Heaney, and welcome to a brand new school year. And today we're going to start our weekly spelling activities. So I want you to grab your spelling activity book and turn to week 1, Monday spelling, or just go ahead and grab a blank Monday spelling page, and we're going to do dictated spelling words. Now, dictated means I'm going to sound the words out as you write the words, and you're going to write the words in this column here. But if you get it wrong, you're going to have to rewrite the word correctly on this side in this column. But if you get the word right in the first place, you don't have to rewrite. So listen carefully and wait to write until I start sounding the words out. This is what I mean. Here's how it goes. I'm going to say the word, use the word in a sentence, count the sounds, and then I'm going to sound the word out. And when I start sounding the word out, that's when I want you to write. And as you're writing, I also want you to say the words in your head or very quietly at your desk as you're writing, sound it out, because that is what's going to help you remember how to spell the word later, especially on the long ones. But I even want you to do that on the short ones. Wait to write until I sound it out. Got it? Okay. Now, this week we're working on predictable vowel teams, which predictable means that it's always going to happen. You can predict the future. You're going to know exactly what it's going to say, okay? And vowel team means we're going to have two vowels that make one sound. They work together as a team to make that one sound. Now, they're predictable because you know what they're going to be when you see those two vowels working together. They're not unpredictable where you have to flip the sound and it could be a couple different sounds, okay? 2 or 3 different sounds. They're always going to be the same, okay? Now, before I start and give you the first word, I always like to start spelling with a little joke. This week's joke, or today's joke, is a little bit of a science joke. How do you know that hot is faster than cold? How do you know that hot is faster than cold? The answer? Gotta wait till we're done with spelling, and then I'll tell you the punchline, okay? That'll motivate you to finish your spelling this morning, okay? I'll remind you when to write, but remember, wait until I sound the word out, okay? Here's the first word, hoe. You need to hoe the garden, okay? Now we're going to count the sounds. Oh, 2 sounds. Okay, easy word, short. Okay, now I'm going to sound it out. This is when you write. You had to wait all the way till now. Now, if you started writing, that's okay, but next word, wait till I start sounding it out, okay? Here we go. Oh. Oh, think what makes the huh. Think about what makes the oh. 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 Okay, now I'm going to show you the word, and you can press pause anytime you need to. If you're not done writing now, you could press pause. I'm sure you're done writing now because this is a short word. But on those long words, when you need a little more time, press pause and press play when you're ready for me to show you. Okay, here it is. Ho. H-O-E. Now, it's not the Santa Claus, ho-ho, H-O. Remember, we have vowel teams. There's 2 vowels working to make that O sound. Okay, if you got it wrong, you are going to fix it if you need to. Okay, press pause if you have to. Okay, and I'll give you the next word, almost like the first. Just got to change that first consonant. Okay, might not know what this one means, but I'll tell you. Okay, foe. Are you friend or foe? Okay, foe means enemy. Now let's count the sounds. Same as the first. O, 2 sounds. Okay, now is when you write. Oh, oh, foe. Okay, get ready. If you had to press pause because you weren't done, you'd do that. Okay, but I'm sure you're done. Foe, here it is. Check your word. Fix it if you have to. Press pause if you need to. Okay, word 3, keep. Long sentence here. Keep out. Okay, let's count the sounds. K, E, P. 3 sounds. K, E, P. Okay, sound it out. You write it. K, E, P. K, E, P. Keep. Keep. Okay, get ready. Here it is. Keep. Fix it if you have to. Press pause if you need to. Number 4, poem. That poem doesn't rhyme. P-O-E-M. 4 sounds. That is a little bit tricky in there. P-O-M. Okay, ready? I'm going to sound it out. You write it. P-O-M. 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 Poem. Okay, here it is. Fix it if you have to. Press pause if you need to. Number 5, wheel. I wonder who invented the wheel. Wheel. Okay, let's sound that one out. Or count the sounds. W, E, L. W, E, L. 3 sounds. More letters. Okay, now's when you write it. I'm going to sound it out. W, E, L. W, E, L. Wheel. Wheel. Okay, here it is. A lot of people forget that H and just put W, but the WH makes W here. Vowel team E. Okay, fix it if you have to. Press pause if you need to. Number 6, oboe. Not elbow. Oboe. Can you play the oboe? It's an instrument. Oboe. Let's count the sounds. O, B, O. 3. 3 sounds. Oboe. Okay. O, B, O. O, B, O. Oboe. Oboe. Here it is. Oboe. Fix it if you have to. Press pause if you need to. Number 7, tiptoe. By the way, it's a compound word, and I usually end with compound words. Okay, compound words means there's kind of 2 words together, or there'll be multisyllabic words at the end. Okay, tiptoe. She had to tiptoe into the kitchen. Okay, let's count the sounds. T, I, P, T, O. 5. T, I, P, T, O. 5. Okay, now's when you write. Okay, T, I, P, T, O. T, I, P, T, O. Tip, toe. Tiptoe. Tiptoe. Okay. Fix it if you have to. Press pause if you need to. Number 8, indeed. That is true indeed. Indeed. Okay, let's count the sounds. I, N, D, E, D. 5. Okay. I'm going to sound it out. You write it. Indeed. I, N, D, E, D. Indeed. 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 Okay, here it comes. Fix it if you have to. Press pause if you need to. Almost done. Number 9, seaweed. The fish was hiding in the seaweed. Okay, let's count those sounds. S, E, W, E, D. 5. S, E, W, E, D. Seaweed. 5. Okay, now you write. C, S, E, W, E, D. Seaweed. 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 Okay, here it comes. Seaweed. Fix it if you have to. Press pause if you need to. Number 10, between. The peanut butter is between the bread. Between, let's count those sounds. B, E, T, W, E, N. 6. Okay, you write it. B, E, T, W, E, Between. 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 Okay, last one. Check it. Fix it if you have to. Press pause if you need to. Okay, before the punchline, there's one last thing we're going to do. On the back of your Monday spelling page, you are going to notice there is a word sort. Now, you could do this word sort on your own. Look at the pattern in the words and try to figure out different patterns and write the patterns down and then sort the words according to those patterns. But I'm going to help you. Okay, we're doing vowel teams. There's 3 of them today. Okay, one of the words can go on 2 columns. Okay, we have O for O-E, O. We have E, double E, and we have E, E-A. Okay, we have O-E, E. Okay, you can fit all the words in those columns. Now, you're going to ask, why are there more? Well, some weeks there might be a lot of different choices, or maybe even an oddball word that doesn't fit anywhere. This gives you places to put more patterns, okay? But we only need 3 this week, so we're only writing on the top. Got it? Okay, now the punchline. So, how do we know that hot is faster than cold? Because you can catch a cold! Okay, finish up your word sort and you're done with spelling today. Good job, guys.